Can you believe it? The ancestor of mankind was actually a fish. Next, I'll take you through the entire process of human evolution. 3.5 billion years ago, the first cell was accidentally born in the ocean. This was the first true life. After hundreds of millions of years, it evolved into simple aquatic organisms, becoming the ancestor of all life on Earth. 520 million years ago, Earth experienced a massive explosion of life. Countless new species appeared, including the ancestors of humans. 370 million years ago, human ancestors evolved into creatures more similar to modern fish. Giant predatory fish ruled the oceans, turning them into brutal hunting grounds. Human ancestors could only struggle to survive. 5 million years later, oxygen levels in the sea suddenly dropped. Human ancestors were forced to adapt, gradually evolving lung-like structures. 340 million years ago, with lungs fully developed, they successfully climbed onto land. This was a huge milestone in Earth's biological history. More animals began appearing on land. 280 million years ago, to survive, human ancestors evolved into hunters, but not for long. 30 million years later, a massive extinction event wiped out 95% of Earth's species. Human ancestors were lucky to survive. Then dinosaurs began ruling the planet. Early mammals struggled to survive under their dominance. 65 million years ago, an asteroid ended the dinosaurs' reign. As large creatures went extinct, mammals began to thrive and diversify. 9 million years later, human ancestors evolved into primitive primates, living alongside giant predators. Fear became deeply embedded in human genes during this period. 4.4 million years ago, early human ancestors began walking on the ground for food. 3.2 million years ago, they could walk upright. 2.3 million years ago, they learned to use stones to make tools. 1.8 million years ago, they mastered running and began using fire from natural sources to cook food and scare away predators. Brain size rapidly increased and intelligence significantly improved. 200,000 years ago, modern humans appeared. They walked out of Africa and explored the world. 20,000 years ago, humans spread across the planet with intelligence and physical ability, no longer fearing wild beasts, and began to dominate Earth. By 2024, humanity has entered the information age. There is almost nothing we cannot achieve. So the question is, with the current level of human evolution, what species do you think could replace